back to the Unfolded English Podcast. I am your host, Lucy.
And I am your host, Alex. Hi, everyone. Great to have you with us today.
Alex, imagine you are visiting a new city. You want to see a famous museum, but you are lost. You look at your phone, but the battery is dead. You see a person on the street. They look friendly. How do you ask for help?
That situation makes me a little nervous. I don't want to bother them. And what if I don't understand their directions?
I understand. Asking for directions can feel scary, but it is very simple. People give directions every day. They are used to helping lost travelers.
Okay, that is good to know. So first, I need to get their attention. What do I say?
Excuse me. That is the magic word. It is polite. It shows you want to ask something.
Excuse me? Then I wait for them to look at me. Then what?
Then you say, I am a little lost. Can you help me?
I am a little lost. Can you help me? That is clear. They know I need help.
Yes, most people will say, of course, or sure, what do you need?
Then I tell them where I want to go. For example, I am looking for the city museum.
I am looking for the city museum.
What if I don't know the exact name? What if I just know it is a famous place?
You can describe it. Say, I am looking for the big museum with the glass roof. Or, I am looking for the art museum.
Okay, so I describe what I know. That helps.
Right. Then they will give you directions. They might say, go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left.
Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. What does blocks mean?
A block is the distance between 2 streets. In many cities, streets are like a grid, so 1 block means walk to the next street.
Oh, I understand. So 2 blocks means walk past 2 streets.
Exactly. They might also say, it is on your right, or it is on the corner.
On your right means the right side. On the corner means where 2 streets meet.
Yes, you are learning the important words.
Okay, but what if I don't understand the directions? What if they talk too fast?
That is okay. You can say, I am sorry. Can you say that again slowly?
I am sorry. Can you say that again slowly? That is polite. They will understand.
Yes, most people will slow down and repeat. They want to help you.
What if I still don't understand? Can I ask them to show me on a map?
Of course, you can say, I am sorry, I am still confused. Can you show me on my phone map?
I am sorry, I am still confused. Can you show me on my phone map? That is a good sentence.
Or if you don't have a phone, you can say, can you point which way?
Can you point which way? That is simple. Pointing is very clear.
Yes, sometimes pointing is easier than words.
Okay, so after they help me, I should say thank you.
Yes, always say thank you. Thank you so much for your help.
Thank you so much for your help. That is nice. And maybe they say, you are welcome. Have a nice day.
Exactly. Then you go on your way. The conversation is over.
That does not sound too hard. Let's practice a full conversation.
Great idea. I will be the person on the street. You are the lost traveler.
Excuse me?
Yes? How can I help you?
I am a little lost. Can you help me?
Of course. Where do you need to go?
I am looking for the city museum.
Oh, the city museum. It is not far. Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. The museum is on your right. You will see big white stairs.
I am sorry. Can you say that again slowly?
Sure. Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. It is on your right.
Okay, straight 2 blocks, left, then right side. Thank you so much for your help.
You are welcome. Have a nice day.
That felt good. I understood everything.
You did great, and you asked me to slow down. That was perfect.
Yes, I felt comfortable asking. I know they want to help.
Now let's talk about other directions you might hear.
Okay, what are some common direction words?
Go straight means continue the same way. Turn left means go to the left side. Turn right means go to the right side.
Go past.
Go past means walk by something. For example, go past the bank, then turn right.
So I walk until I see the bank, then I keep walking, then turn right after it.
Exactly. And at the corner means where 2 streets meet. On the corner means the building is right there.
Across from.
Across from means on the other side of the street. For example, the museum is across from the park.
So if I see the park, the museum is on the other side of the street.
Yes, and next to means beside. The museum is next to the library.
Okay, I understand. Let's practice those words.
Good. A very simple sentence is go straight.
Go straight. That is easy. Another one is turn left at the corner.
Yes, or turn right after the bank.
It is on your left.
Perfect. And it is across from the park.
It is next to the library.
Now, what if the place is far? They might say, it is about a 10-minute walk.
Oh, so they tell me how long it will take. That is helpful.
Yes, or they might say, it is too far to walk. You should take the bus.
If they say that, I can ask, which bus should I take?
Good question. Which bus should I take? Then they might tell you the number.
Okay, so I need to be ready for that too.
Right. Let's practice that situation.
Excuse me, I am looking for the Science Museum.
Oh, that is a bit far. It is about 30 minutes walking. You might want to take the bus.
Okay, which bus should I take?
Take the number 5 bus. Get off at the 3rd stop. The museum is right there.
The number 5 bus. Get off at the 3rd stop. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. The bus stop is right over there.
Oh, I see it. Thanks again.
Perfect. You got the information you needed.
So I learned the bus number and where to get off. That is useful.
Yes. Now, what if someone gives you directions, but you are not sure you remember everything?
I can repeat it back to them, like, so I go straight 2 blocks, turn left, and it is on my right?
Exactly. That is a great idea. Repeating shows you are listening. They can correct you if you are wrong.
So I go straight 2 blocks, turn left, and it is on my right? That is a good sentence.
Yes, and they will say, yes, that is right, or actually, it is on your left.
Okay, that helps me make sure I have the correct directions.
Now, let's list all the useful sentences for asking directions.
Excuse me, can you help me?
I am looking for the city museum.
I am sorry. Can you say that again slowly?
Can you show me on the map?
Is it far from here?
Which bus should I take?
Thank you so much for your help.
Those 7 sentences will help you in any city.
And remember the direction words straight, left, right, blocks, corner, across from, next to.
Yes, practice those words. They are very important.
Now, what if someone asks you for directions? How do you respond?
That is a good question. you might be the person helping.
Right. So if someone says, "Excuse me, I am looking for the train station," what do I say?
If you know where it is, you can say, "Sure, it is not far. Go straight and turn left at the light."
Sure, it is not far. Go straight and turn left at the light. That is helpful.
If you don't know, you can say, "I am sorry, I am not from around here."
I am sorry, I am not from around here. That is honest. They will ask someone else.
Yes. Or you can say, "I am not sure, but maybe you can ask that person over there."
I am not sure, but maybe you can ask that person over there. That is still helpful.
Exactly. You don't have to know everything. Just be polite.
Okay, let's do a quick recap of 3 easy sentences from today.
Excuse me, I am looking for the museum.
Can you say that again, slowly?
Thank you so much for your help.
Those 3 will help you in most situations.
Yes, and remember to smile. A smile makes everything friendlier.
That is good advice. People are more willing to help someone who smiles.
Exactly. Now, let's practice one more conversation. This time, use some of the new words we learned.
Okay, I am ready.
Excuse me, I am a little lost.
Oh, sure. Where do you need to go?
I am looking for the Central Library.
The Central Library. Let me think. Go straight for 3 blocks, then turn right at the corner. The library is across from the park.
So, straight 3 blocks, turn right, across from the park?
Yes, that is right. It is a big building. You can't miss it.
Thank you so much for your help.
You are welcome. Have a great day.
Perfect! You did great. You gave clear directions.
I felt confident. I used blocks and across from and corner.
Yes, you used all the right words, and you repeated the directions to make sure.
That felt natural. I think I can do this in real life now.
Good. That is the goal. We want you to feel confident.
If today's conversation helped you feel more confident, please follow our podcast.
Yes, please follow us. When you follow, it helps our channel grow. Then we can help more people like you.
And when you listen often, your English improves little by little. Every episode teaches you new sentences for real life.
We are happy to practice with you every day. Keep listening and keep practicing.
You can do this. Asking for directions in English is easy now.
Thank you for listening today. Have a wonderful day, and we will talk to you next time.
Bye for now.